Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu illahi and I'm a junior operator at Java 7 Coal Fire Steam Power Plant. And today I would like to tell you about how the magnetic conductor works. And then I have divided this presentation into several points. The first one I will explain about definition and function of magnetic conductor, and the second one magnetic conductor parts, and the third one is magnetic conductor principle, and the last one is about magnetic conductor application. The first one is about definition and function of magnetic conductor. The magnetic conductor is an automatic switch, which in principle is a device or component that changes the NC, or normally closed, contact to NO, normally open, and change the original NO to NC by using magnetic power to change it. NC and NO is a condition in electrical switch. We can see here. This is the NC switch, NC condition, which is called NC if the electrical switch is in a closed state and turn open when there is a force affecting it, while it is called NO if their electrical switch is open and turns closed when there is a force affecting it. Okay, the next one is about magnetic conductor parts. Generally, magnetic conductors are divided into 4 parts. The first part is leg, right here. This is the conductor leg. Leg, which has a clamp for mounting on the rail. And then the second part is coil, right here. Coil or magnet that function as to transfer NO to NC and NC to NO. And then the third one is main contact, right here. You can see right here. This number 1, 2, 3, and here is 2, 4, 6. Sorry, this is number 1, 3, 5. This is 2, 4, 6. The main contact is a contact that directly connects to the 3-phase electricity. All contacts on the main contact are NO, or normally open, and are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This part will be connected directly to a 3-phase electric motor. RST phase main contact part and NC auxiliary contact NO. And the last one is auxiliary contact. Add this one. This is a auxiliary contact. Usually the auxiliary contact has a 4 contact or terminals, which generally have 2 NO terminal and 2 NC terminals. Like we see here, this is NO, 2 part is NO, and then this one, the NC, you can see. Okay, the next one is magnetic conductor principle. After you see this, the picture, the first picture, the first picture, and then this second picture, you can see the difference. Of course, we begin to understand the working principle of this magnetic conductor. If you see the blue color here, in the picture as is a conductor. So when the magnetic contactor is turned on, the blue hook conductor in the middle will move inward. This one. Sorry, this part. It will move inward by a magnetic power generated by the coil. This one is coil, as you can see, and connecting between the left and right contact, in the other words, called normally open, will change to normally closed, and there is also a disconnect from right and left conductor. In the other words, it's called the normally closed position. So right here we can see the difference. After the coil become a magnetic, it will change the normally opens this normally open switch become into close, and then this normally closed switch become open. How does a magnetic conductor work? A magnetic conductor can work when electric current flows in the coil. The currents for the coil in the magnetic conductor are named A1, this one A1, and A2, this one. A1 for phase and A2 for neutral. Okay, the next is magnetic conductor application. Magnetic conductors are usually installed for motor control system, including three-phase motor control system, star delta, and the second one is three-phase motor control system, reverse and forward, and the three-phase motor control system, sequential on and off, and the last one is three-phase motor control system on direct online, or usually we call it DOL. This is an example of installing a magnetic conductor for direct online or DOL. As we can see here, when we push the start button, we push here start button, the voltage will flow into the A1 contact, and it will change the conductor. It will affecting the conductor. Coil will become a magnetic, and then it will pull the CB here, switch here, normally main switch and auxiliary switch here. Like we explained before, the NC will become NO, and NO will become the NC. So after the conductor works, it will let the voltage flows into the motor, and then motor will rotate. And when we push the stop button, if we push the stop button, it will disconnect the voltage source for conductor. So the conductor will lose its magnetic power, and then the switch, NC switch, will become the NO, and then the NO switch will become the NC switch. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any question, you can contact my email and WhatsApp. I hope next time we can learn about another topic, and we can learn together as well. And thank you for your attention. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, the last one. I will share you about quotes from Imam Ghazali. Knowledge without action is a wastefulness, and action without knowledge is foolishness. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.